Alright, today's video is going to be a little more serious as we're talking about getting paid for your music and also paying other musicians or artists that you might collaborate with. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech, and this video is sponsored by DistroKid, and they wanted me to talk about the DistroKid Teams feature, which is a very convenient and almost a must-have feature for the modern musician or band. But before I get any further, I just want to say if you don't have DistroKid yet and you want to release your music worldwide and keep 100% of the royalties, use the link down in the description to sign up for DistroKid and you'll save 7% off your membership. Now, so what is DistroKid Teams and why should you care about it? Well, Teams is a feature that allows you to easily set up your collaboration royalties. So if you're in a band and you have several band members that need to get paid, this is for you. If you're a solo artist and you collaborate with other artists or musicians regularly, this is for you. You can just enter in each member of your team individually and set the percentage that each one will get. And the cool thing is you can set this up for each individual song on an album. So if you have a whole album that you wrote and you did all the music on, but you have one song that maybe you collaborated with another artist on, you can set it up so that one song you share the royalties for whatever percentage that you put in for just that song. But the rest of the album, it just goes to you, or maybe it goes to you and another band member or another collaborator. You set it up for each individual song, and you only have to do it once. And once it's in there, DistroKid continues to take care of the payments for you. There's nothing else for you to worry about. And only the team manager, which would be you if you're setting this up, can see the percentages that everyone gets. So each team member can only see their own percentage. So you won't have any of the, well, this guy got paid this much and this person got paid this much. They won't know that unless you tell them, of course. So let's look at how quick and easy this is to set up. You just enter in the percentage that they get, put in their email address, and then you can review to make sure everything's correct. And if it is, then you just submit it. And you'll notice that it says any current money that you already made on this track won't be split. So that's something to keep in mind there. And if the team member that you're adding doesn't have a DistroKid account, they'll receive a 50% off discount code to create one. And if they never create an account or just take their time creating it, don't worry, DistroKid's going to hold that money for them until they create the account. And all of this is automatic, so you'll only need to enter in the team member once, add their percentage, and continue to make music without worrying about if someone got paid. And if you need to change team members and the split that they get, that's not a problem. You can go in and change that whenever you want. You can even remove collaborators whenever you want. And if you did remove somebody, but you want to go back and see what the split was and how much they made, you can easily go back and look at that. All that information is saved for you, so you won't lose any of it. So why do you need DistroKid Teams? Well, to make your life as a musician easier. You'll be confident knowing that you get paid and whoever you work with will get paid. And this also allows you to not worry about collaborating with anyone in the future, as you'll know that how to easily take care of all of that payment information, and you'll know that DistroKid's going to automatically pay them for you. So is there an accounting fee to this? Does DistroKid charge anything for DistroKid Teams? Absolutely not. It's included for free with your DistroKid membership. It's like hiring an accountant that you don't have to pay. And if you want to check out even more music distribution and music marketing videos, click on the video on the screen right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching for Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane, keep creating, and we'll talk soon.